Hello friends, it's been a little while since I've made a new video. Had a little vacation and then got a little under the weather right after my vacation, but I'm back. And something I wanted to cover real quick. First of all, I didn't realize that I didn't have a playlist set up here and go in YouTube for just general Goimagine videos. I had one for specifically Goimagine SEO and then I had one for just everything, basically, and I really had meant to make one that was specifically for general Goimagine topics that were specifically to Goimagine. So I have created that, and I put 9 of the videos in there so far. I'm not done with it yet, but just an FYI, if you watch my videos and you were looking for a playlist that kind of showed you a bunch of different things specifically about Goimagine, and you wanted to kind of weed through any of the more general videos, I'm going to be compiling these in here a little more. And I'm thinking about making a more specific category beyond that. So I've got one for Goimagine SEO, but maybe there's some other categories that I can kind of narrow these down for folks who just want to watch certain videos kind of about certain things. So if anybody has any suggestions on another specific Goimagine area that I can move multiple videos into, definitely let me know. Maybe I'll make one for older videos so you can kind of weed those out. Because that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. So I got a question somewhat recently, about this Goimagine import from Etsy video. This video says 1 year ago. It was actually from July of 2023, so it's a decent amount over 1 year ago now, and it's just not a very updated video, so I just wanted to share kind of the most important updates about this. I watched through the video because honestly I can't remember every video, all the details of what I shoot, and I haven't imported anything from Etsy for a while, so I honestly didn't remember all of the steps or anything. The steps that I give in here are accurate, and it worked for me. I tried it again and it did work for me. You have to use the legacy dashboard to do so, and the legacy dashboard is not going to be around forever, so this might not be an option for us to do in the future. Goimagine seems to prefer to do the imports, I should say, for us. So when you go to the Goimagine help support area and you look this up now, they don't have instructions anymore on how to do this. They used to have instructions. Instead, they say, please send your CVS or CSV or whatever that's called file that you get from Etsy. It's a file that you get from Etsy. I go over how to do it in the video, so feel free to check out this video about importing listings to Goimagine from Etsy. But anyways, and then you just send that directly to Goimagine, and then Goimagine does the work for you. And before, they used to word that as they'll do an initial import for you, and now it doesn't really say that either. So I think they would prefer to do the imports for us whenever possible. And really, to save yourself some time, I don't see why you shouldn't do it. I just think you should make sure that you have at least 10 listings that you want to move over before bothering them to do this, unless you're never going to have that many or something like that. But doing it one at a time or whatever is it's a lot of work for just one listing, and it makes a lot more sense to do it in batches. So just some kind of background information. Feel free to watch the video if you're not sure you understand what I'm talking about. But basically, you can carry over a lot of information from your Etsy listings into Goimagine, and then you just have to go in and edit and add a few things to get those listings over, as opposed to going into Goimagine and creating everything over again and copying and pasting, your description and taking your tags and turning them into keywords. Goimagine uses different terms than Etsy does. There's a little bit of some changes there. But yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. And just whenever you're watching any video, take a look at how long ago it says this video aired, and it should tell you, when you go in to watch a video, it'll tell you.
This wasn't supposed to happen. I wanted to do a photo shoot with cattail plants, but nobody told me that they would immediately.
And it does tell you here, Goimagine is happy to do an initial import of your products from your Etsy shop
into
the
Goimagine shop.
It's
like all this extra nonsense on the side.
Just email us
It doesn't show very easily the way I'm watching this, but I don't think I'm watching this in a normal format that normally you would see it, because I'm watching it as myself. So I guess it doesn't show right away on here, but it does show when you're actually watching a video on YouTube. Oh, here's what it looks like right here. Then it says right here, import listings to Goimagine from Etsy, and it says 1.2 thousand views 1 year ago. And if you click more, it might even give more information. Maybe not though, but yeah, it says 1 year. Oh, from the far right here, it says 2023, July 29th. So I believe you'd be able to see this information as well. That's right here in the middle of the screen. So just keep that in mind whenever you're watching any video on YouTube, whether it's my videos or anybody else's, is look at that date and, ask yourself, is there a chance that something's changed? There's no way for me to just, I'm sure there's a way somehow to go in and just tack on a little bit more information onto a video and add a little bit to the end, but I'm not going to do that. If anything, if there's a big change to something, I'll just make a new video and, say, hey, please disregard that old video, that type of thing. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to share. Just something to keep in mind if you watch a lot of these videos. And like I said, I added that new playlist for folks who want to just maybe scroll through and get a bunch of different Goimagine videos going in a row, to learn and to, you can do them in order by date or whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I do have more videos in the works, but just got to get through some important appointments and things like that before I can get back to that. Hopefully in the next week or so, I'll be getting more videos out to you. And once we get closer to the busy rush, by November, then you'll see my videos definitely taper off a little bit. I won't be able to be making a bunch more because I will be busy packing orders and creating more, more products to send out to customers and all of that. So thanks so much for watching this. Give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful or interesting in any way, and make sure to subscribe to see lots of great videos about Goimagine and a little bit for handmade sellers overall. Thanks.